5 home selling tips. 1. Find a trusted real estate agent. Working with a skilled real estate agent who knows your local market inside and out can help you sell your home more quickly, and often, for more money. 2. Invest in value-adding improvements. The key is spend your money on projects that will provide the most return on your investment. 3. Up your curb appeal. Some easy updates that really improve curb appeal include touching up exterior paint, adding window flower boxes, installing a new mailbox, or simply adding rich-looking mulch around shrubs and trees can really bring out the charm. 4. Get a pre-listing inspection. You don't want any unexpected surprises. It's best to find out beforehand if there are any issues that you can fix before buyers find out on their own. 5. Highlight the positive with professional photos. Spending a bit of money on high-quality photography can go a long way toward helping your home sell for a higher price. For help selling your home for more money, contact Jack Jenkins with Samson Properties at 571-229-6877.